Hey guys, Robert Yusupov here with your weekly rate update, and it was a very brutal week. We've seen the highest rates in a 7-month period. So we were on a trend of everything coming down, coming down. We were seeing rates in the fives, low fives, and then ever since the war with Iran, which is usually a war causes good rates, like when Israel had a war with Gaza, the rates came down. Every time there's a conversation of war, there's a sell-off from the stock market into the bond market for safety purposes, and rates get better. This time, however, it was very different because oil got impacted and there were massive trade-offs. There was massive sell-offs on the treasuries, and when treasuries get impacted, rates start going up. And the reason for this is that oil has a very massive impact on what happens with trading, what happens with it. It's a global kind of effect. And if oil really does go to $200, maybe it will, maybe it won't, maybe it's a scare, maybe it's just something that's fear right now. But as of right now, as of today, rates have gone up. Even though there was a massive treasury sell-off, the biggest one that we've seen in a very long time, that also usually is supposed to help rates when the government buys treasuries. This time it did nothing to impact or make things worse. Maybe it could have been worse, but rates right now went up by about 0.25 to 0.5%, depending on what type of product we're looking at. So I believe that this is all fear-based. I believe that this is going to get, in a matter of a couple of weeks, it's going to get better. It's going to go back to normal. But as of right now, if you're closing in the next month, if you're closing in the next week, you're better off locking. You're better off understanding that this is only going to continue going up for a short period of time, but it will balance out. We were anticipating 2 Fed rate cuts that were supposed to be happening. As of right now, all bets are off. There's not going to be any rate cut. There's a concern about inflation. There's a massive, like what's going to happen. And when there's inflation concerns, there's no rate cut. So President Trump is going to continue pushing. We're seeing the new Fed chairman